to Expert ACM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term QS 9000. It's a quality standard. It is a name given to the quality system requirement of the automotive industry, which were developed by Chrysler, Ford, General Motor, and major truck manufacturer and issued in 1994. QS 9000 replaces such quality system requirement as Ford Q101, Chrysler's Supply Quality Assurance Manual, GM's NIO Targets for Excellence, and the truck manufacturer's quality system manuals. The influence of QS 9000 is being seen throughout the automotive industry as it has virtually eliminated varying demand and waste associated with the redundant systems. Proof of confirmation to QS 9000 is certification or registration by an accredited third party such as underwriter, laboratory, or similar agencies. Companies that become registered under QS 9000 will be considered to have higher standard and better quality products. This will describe the step a company needs to take to achieve this goal. So why QS 9000? QS 9000 will help companies to stay ahead of their competition. It will do this by filling gaps in the business and quality system that can cause problems. QS 9000 eliminates redundant and unnecessary work practices. QS 9000 tells current and potential customers that the product has consistent quality and is manufactured under controlled conditions. This system is globally accepted as proof of quality in the automotive industry and is also a major customer requirement. How does QS 9000 differ from ISO 9000? QS 9000 is sometimes seen as being identical to 9000 but not true, even though each element of ISO and QS is same, but there is some difference. For example, QS 9000 adds requirement for a business plan, tracking customer satisfaction and benchmarking to element 4.1 of ISO 9000, management responsibility. QS 9000 also has sector specific requirement. Thanks for watching. Bye.